rubbing in the flavor, understanding, rub with herbs. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into a very flavorful expression, rub with herbs. This phrase is often used in cooking contexts, but what does it really mean? Let's explore together. Rub with herbs is a phrase commonly used in culinary arts. It refers to the process of applying a mixture of herbs and spices onto the surface of food, usually meat, fish, or vegetables. This technique is used to infuse flavors and create a delicious crust or coating. Herbs play a crucial role in cooking. They add depth, aroma, and taste to a dish. When you rub food with herbs, you're essentially marinating it with these flavors. This process can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. 1. Choose your herbs. Select herbs that complement your dish. Common choices include rosemary, thyme, basil, and oregano. 2. Prepare the rub. Mix your chosen herbs with other ingredients like salt, pepper, and olive oil to form a paste. 3. Apply the rub. Gently massage the herb mixture onto the food's surface. Ensure it's evenly coated. 4. Let it marinate. Allow the food to sit with the herb rub for some time. This helps the flavors to penetrate and intensify. Rub with herbs is not limited to one type of cuisine. It's a versatile technique used in Mediterranean cooking, where olive oil and herbs like rosemary are popular. Barbecue, for creating flavorful meat rubs. Vegetarian dishes, to enhance the taste of vegetables and tofu. And there you have it. Rub with herbs is more than just a cooking instruction. It's a way to elevate your culinary creations. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a little flavor to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your kitchen and in conversations. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.